Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grit X and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First, we need to open the menu on our watch. You can do it by pressing the back button. Once you open the menu, you can scroll through the menu by using the touchscreen or the buttons. Scroll through the menu, select the settings option and then tap on it or press the middle button to enter. Here, find the general settings and select it. Then select pair and sync. Here scroll down, find the paired devices option and select it. And here you should see the name of the phone that is paired with your watch. Select this name, press the middle button or tap on it, and then confirm by pressing the middle button to remove the pairing. It will say pairing removed. Now we can go to our iPhone, open the settings on it, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. Here you should see the list of my devices. On this list you should see the Polar Grit X. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on the forget device and tap on forget device disconnected. And at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.